Well, that is through two different concepts called user interface design and user experience design. So, uh, user interface, or UI as we call it, UI design is about each element that is on the page. What does the text look like? The headings, the paragraphs, the imagery, the buttons, the links. Um, Whenever you assemble, typically for a blog post, you'll have a three or four different options there, and they'll have like the same type of stuff, but each one will say different things. Those are called a card. So each one of those cards is another user interface element. But basically, taking all these small pieces and assembling them into bigger pieces. That's the user interface design. So we do that in a way that ensures that, excuse me, that ensures that we're utilizing modern techniques within our user interface design. So it looks pretty at the individual element level. Then for the user experience design, we tap into a lot of historical data references, psychological data, and stuff like that to determine what is the best place to put things, what is the best flow throughout the website and stuff like that. So, yes, a lot of stuff goes into that. Next, what measures will you take to secure the website against hacking and other security threats?